Hey ladies, this is Whitney Nicely from She Buys It. I'm here at the Mill and Mine in downtown Knoxville. See, you can see downtown over there. We're in the old city here in Knoxville, and I'm here at the Mill and Mine because this is where we're gonna be for 3 days in November. There's gonna be 118 women coming from all over the country to learn about how to buy houses, how to buy apartments, how to use other people's money, how to start vacation rentals. We're gonna be talking all about real estate investing right in those doors right there, November 6th through the 9th of 2019, and I want you to get a ticket. Everybody that gets a ticket is going to also get the recordings from 2017 and 2018 because this is the 4th year that we've had She Buys It Live. So you're gonna get all the recordings from the last 2 years. That way you can go ahead and get started. You can go ahead and start finding some deals. Heck, maybe you could close 3 or 4 deals before you even get to Knoxville for She Buys It Live. All right, we're gonna give you the recordings, and everybody that gets a ticket this year to She Buys It Live will also get the recordings from this year. All right, so whether you have to step out, take a phone call, and close a deal, it's all good because you're not gonna miss any of the action. We're gonna give you the recordings from She Buys It Live. I want you to be here, straight in those doors, November 6th through the 9th of 2019. To get your ticket, go to SheBuysItLive.com. I want you to be here. I want you to walk through those doors right there and join me and 117 other real estate investors from all over the country at She Buys It Live. Go to SheBuysItLive.com right now and get your VIP ticket. Maybe there's a link right there, maybe the link's right there, but type it in, SheBuysItLive.com, so that you can walk through those doors and learn how to buy houses, learn how to buy apartments, learn how to buy money, and turn all of that into vacation rentals so that you can live your dream life. We're at the Mill and Mine in Knoxville, Tennessee, November 6th through the 9th, and I want you to be with us. Go get your ticket, SheBuysItLive.com.